I always wear gloves when I'm handling harsh chemicals. Here in just a minute I'm going to be using some soap and water. And anytime I handle soap, I wear gloves, that way my hands don't get dirty. I always use a real soft wood. That way I don't damage the object, or I try not to damage the object. Sometimes I do, but I try not to. Well, I see a little bit of something. Unsure what that design is yet, but a little bit of cleaning, maybe we'll know here in a few minutes. Sometimes it takes a little while, sometimes it don't. But the good thing about it is, if you ever decide to clean your finds, this is one way. There's other ways, but this is my way. Looks like there's some writing right above there, but I can't quite make it out. Can you? And it looks like we've got a design on the top here, almost like a wave. I don't know if you can see that. That borders around through here, and then here something's wrote. I can't make it out, but this looks like leaves of some sort. Well, I'll continue cleaning. I'm sort of curious to see what it is, or what it says. Because if we can find out what it says, maybe we can date this bad boy. Right? That's what I was thinking. Y'all read my mind. If we can get a date on it, maybe, just maybe, we can get some history on it. The more we know, right? Alright folks, I'm back, and I've scrubbed, or not scrubbed, but I've cleaned. I've tried to figure out what this bad boy is. I don't know. I'm going to let it soak again. Okay, after a little bit of cleaning and scrubbing, still can't make out what this says across the top right there. I can see more designs on the sides. It's a real thin buckle, or a part of a buckle. Unsure what it was used for. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, there's many ways to clean items you find. This is the way I do it. Thanks for watching. God bless. Get outdoors, and come on, let's go find something else.